There's other ways. What if you have a membership site? If you want to attract people in where they pay you monthly for a year, yeah, maybe that's a great way. It's called the continuity model. That's what I refer to it as, because when people are part of a membership site, you keep them as a member, and whilst they're a member, you sell them other stuff. There's continuity. You can push them into different areas and different products that you have. Would that be useful to anybody? Absolutely. So here's the other model. I'm just going to touch on a couple of these numbers. You could have 5,000 people paying you £17 a month for 12 months, £1 million. Or you could have 200 people paying £417 per month for 12 months. These numbers make it feel real to me. Do they make it feel real to you guys? Yeah. And you know what? It's not a big step. It's just getting everything in order in the right way.